With 4 ways to make things easier, we've got home improvement and lifestyle expert, our friend Kathryn Emery. How are you, Kathryn?
Hi, Paula. I'm so excited. Like you said, we've got some great gift ideas and some things to make holidays easier because we're so busy this time of the year, right?
So busy. So let's start with decorating because I still need to get a few things up. What are your great tips?
I love it. So this one is one of my favorites because it's going to check off the box for decorating as well as a gift idea. So I have with me, these are SYLVANIA MOSAIC LED light strips. You can find them on Amazon, which of course, who doesn't love, that's the easiest way to shop. I've got some great B-roll here. You'll see. Number one, here's the gift idea, right? It's great for kids, anywhere from younger kids to teenagers, even to dorm rooms. You can put them behind your desk. They're putting behind their desk, adding a pop of color. They have a remote control that they come with. So you can get a bunch of different colors and just control it with that remote. Kids are using them to make TikTok videos. They're just such a great gift idea. I call them a stocking stuffer because they're under 30 bucks, but I love how easy they are to install, and then they can really accentuate a space. And speaking about accentuating a space, they're great for holiday decorating too. So that's me and my mom right there. My mom loves to wrap them in her garland. Isn't that awesome? I love that remote. So for her, they're easy to use, and they just stick on with a 3M adhesive so you can move them around easily. But go on Amazon right now, search up SYLVANIA MOSAIC LED light strips. There's options for indoors, there's outdoors. Just a great thing. I love the multi-purpose. Like I use them for Halloween and movie night. They're behind our TVs. So just a great thing to have around the house and so easy to use, which is what I love.
Oh, just so much fun, so festive. Is that your son in the video too?
Yeah, that is. He's doing it. We got the whole family in on this gig, right?
So I love it.
Good.
Okay,
so are you cooking at home?
Well, I don't cook a lot. I cook a little bit, but please bring us some good ideas for that.
I'm going to make it easy for you, girl.
Thank you.
Cook in a Traeger pellet grill. So this is cooking made easier, and your food is actually going to end up tasting better. And I'll tell you why. So when you cook over real wood pellets, it just provides a better flavor to whatever you're making. And you can dial it the smoke up or down depending on your preference. Traegers offer more versatility on how you can cook, Paula. You can grill, you can smoke, you can bake, you can roast, you can braise, you can barbecue. This is one of my favorite things. It's so easy to use. You set it and forget it. It functions just like an oven with temperature control. So I love it. You can even connect it to your smartphone, so you can be a lazy griller like me. When your food's done, it sends an alert to your phone. When you're in that app there on your phone, they've got 1,600 recipes to choose from. And you'll see here, I love that consistency. So Traegers cook like a convection oven. So you get an even, consistent results. I can cook with confidence. Whatever I put on this Traeger, I know it's going to taste good. I cooked burgers here. I just threw them on, left them. My husband kept, like, by nature, wanted to just keep opening the lid. I'm like, don't touch it. Just leave it alone. But see, you can do your whole holiday meal. As you can see, you can do sides, you can do your meat. So just an amazing way. They call it the Traeger hood. Literally, you could cook everything on that plate, bread, side dishes, everything in here. So just a great way to cook. And I just love the easy style, right? I mean,
yes,
you got it.
Easy peasy, please, all day long. And I do love to bake. I just love that you can bake in that thing. But also the cleanup is important, and I'm a big cleaner-upper.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So let's talk about what we're going to put in that Traeger first. So I don't know about you, but I love delivery things because I don't want to go out and get them, but I want high quality stuff. So I fell in love with Butcher Box because you're going to get sustainably sourced seafood, high quality meat delivered right to your door. I love that. So, I mean, anything in there. So the holidays are coming. Get your roast, get your ham, get your beef tenderloin, get your turkey. And I love that they're all natural, vegetarian diet, raised without antibiotics, everything you want. They consider it's basically farm to table for all of the meats and seafoods that you need. And I just love that it comes right to your house, right? So they have this offer. You can just get a single box as a holiday gift idea. So people that love to cook like myself, I love it. You order it by December 17th, and you can even use whatever you send in that box for your holiday meal. There's our famous turkey.
Beautiful.
So, and then you mentioned cleaning. So I know you love to clean sustainably. Like we always talk about this. Like I want to go green and save green. So this is Raco 75. These are bamboo paper towels. Isn't that amazing? So they're very durable. I love it. So I read a stat somewhere that 25% more trash gets produced between Thanksgiving and New Year's, which is 25 million tons of trash.
We got to do better than that. Yeah, we got to keep things clean.
We got to do better, right? So it's a bamboo cloth paper towel. It can be rinsed, washed, reused. It's high quality. It's durable. It's soft. You can use it over and over again for up to 6 months. You saw there.
They look great, Kathryn. I'm so sorry. We got to go, girl. But those were awesome ideas. I love meeting your family in there, too. Thank you so much. It's going to be wonderful holidays. We appreciate it.
You too. And everyone go to Be the Best Home to check all this stuff out. Thanks, girl.
Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Katie Orth. Remarkable women are everywhere. They inspire